from very reliable sources, we have got information that drivers which have been appointed by the Margao Municipal Council to drive vehicles of the Margao Municipal Council, recently they have been appointed on contract basis, are used to drive vehicles of the children of one MLA connected with the Margao Municipal Council. So we are going to file officially a complaint to this regard. Even earlier it seems the same practice was done. And these drivers in fact who have been now put on the role of the Margao Municipal Council on contract basis were earlier engaged with that same MLA in his office. Somehow now that salary payment is transferred on the taxpayer of Margao Municipal Council. This is something very wrong that is happening, and we condemn such acts, more especially when it is being done by MLA, public representative toward the stature of an MLA.